Lovers, and welcome to this Tuesday edition of Second Grade News. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Please stand and join Hannah as we say the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, you guys. Now, this week we will have a new mentor text. We are going to be reading the book A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon. This is such a fun read aloud, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do because this is another one of Miss Gates' favorites. We will be looking at describing characters and giving a good summary of our book, just like we did last week. So, I hope you were paying attention last week because we're going to be digging a little deeper this time. In phonics this week, we are going to be working on the floss rule. So get those dance moves ready because we're going to be flossing through the week. And in math, we will be working on place value to 1,000, which means we will be working with 3-digit numbers having ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, it is time for calendar, and then you can get your day started. Good morning, friends. Let's go ahead and get ready for calendar. Now, we know that yesterday we had a holiday, which was Labor Day, and that fell on September the 7th. So what we're going to do today is we are going to go ahead and fill in that square on your chart. So you should have a red square under the first Monday in September, which is September 7th, okay? So let's go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and draw me a red square underneath September 7th. Now we know that yesterday was Monday, which means today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Remember, we are in the month of September. Let's spell this long month together. We have S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. Good job. So we know that our pattern for September is red square, yellow rectangle, red square, yellow rectangle, red square, yellow rectangle, red square, which means today is you guessed it, a yellow rectangle. Very good. So you can go ahead and pause your video after we say our date together and make sure that you are caught up. So let's say today's date together. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and add a number to our hundreds chart. Now, the last number we added was a 20. And if we're counting on by ones, by adding one school day each time, the number after 20 should be 21. Let's look at it. 2 in the tens place and a 1 in the ones place. Now, our pattern continues, right? There's a 1 in the ones place, 1 in the ones place, 1 in the ones place, right? And our number goes up in the tens digit each time. All right? So, we are going to color in a ones cube on your chart. So, use that marker. Color in one little bitty ones cube. And in your page, you should have 2 10 rods colored in, 2 10 rods colored, and one cube, which should make the number 21. All right? So 2 10s and 1 equals 21. We're going to go ahead and add a penny to our chart, and I have laughed all weekend at this because my dad, we went to see my parents this weekend, and my dad gave my daughter, Carrington, some coins, and I laughed because in the back seat of our car, she was saying our chants, because a lot of times when Miss Gates is videoing our calendar sessions, she is in here with me, and so she has picked up on our calendars, or our coin chants as well, so I think that's really cool. So hopefully they're helping you as well. So let's see if we can all say our penny chant together. We say, penny, penny, easily spent. coppery brown and worth 1 cent. Okay, so we're going to add that coppery brown penny to your pocket. So you're going to add it in, all right? Then we need to count to see how much money we have. Now we see we have 0 quarters, we have 2 of those small dimes, 0 nickels, and 1 penny. All right, remember, when we have a group of coins, we always start counting with the coin that's worth the most value, okay? Since we don't have any quarters, that coin is going to be the dime, all right? Let's say our dime poem together. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Okay, so we're going to be counting by tens until we switch coins. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20. I'm going to switch. No fives. 21. Right? So we have 21 cents today. Or, remember, we can also write that using just a dollar sign. Using the $0.21. Very good. All right, let's keep going around our clock as well. We're doing good. We're making lots of progress. So we're going to keep going around the clock by shading in 1 more minute on our clock. So on Friday, we had gone around the clock for 20 times, right? 20 minutes had passed, or 20 days of school. So now we know that we can count by fives all the way to this big 4, and then we have to start counting by ones again. So here we go, counting by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So we know that our time for today would be 1:21 because we've been around the clock 21 times, or we've shown 21 minutes. Very good. All right. Now, let's start. Before we even do our pattern of the day, we're going to practice counting by fives and tens. All right? So let's start by counting by fives. And remember, that's our yellow counting tape. Here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. So that was counting by fives. Just one hand, 5. Now we're going to count by tens, which is our blue counting tape. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. All right. Now, today we're going to do our pattern of the day, and we're going to count by fives. So we are counting by fives, and we're going to start at the number 315. Okay? So, I want you to do it first, remember? So put 315 right there in our beginning spot. And remember, this number doesn't change unless you move to the next 100. So most of our numbers this time, if not all of them, are probably going to start with 300. All right? So what I want you to do, go ahead and pause your video, start with 315, and then see where you end. When you're finished, go ahead and hit play on our video and see if you were correct. All right. 315, 320, because remember we're going this way, 325, 330, 335, 340, 345, 350, 355, 360. So we should have ended at 360 for today. All right, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you in reading groups in just a minute.